don't know why tonight just wants to be one of the loudest nights.
I gotta go get it. Yeah, I gotta keep winning. Yeah, gotta feed my feeling cause ain't about me. Yeah, I get my
Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Priscilla, aka Precious, and this is my channel. I consist of beauty, fashion, and lifestyle videos. So if you are interested in this video or interested in what I do, definitely subscribe and hit that bell button so you guys can stay tuned to more videos like this. However, if this is not your first time watching my videos, you already know what to do. Hit that subscribe button. Okay. So, as you guys heard from the title, we are going to be talking about my feminine hygiene routine in 2022. This was a requested video from you guys on my social media. So if you guys want to be a part of the next video like this, definitely follow me on social media so you guys can be a part of the next video. With that being said, girl, grab yourself something to drink, grab yourself a notepad, and let's get right into this video. So I'm going to be showing you guys some of the I'm basically going to be showing you guys the items that I use, why I use them, some tips on how to use these products, and also just to step up your hygiene game in 2022. So the first item that I use in my feminine hygiene routine is the Dove soap. I like using Dove just because it's very gentle on my skin, especially knowing that I have very sensitive skin, and very harsh chemicals just does not work for my skin because then I'll get dry patches and that's not cute. I personally use Dove because it's really gentle on the skin, and plus they smell amazing, and girl, it just leaves your body smelling nice. Another tip when using a base soap. When I say base soap, I literally mean it's going to be a soap that you use that's going to clean your body before you get into any of the good smelling soaps. I literally was watching a couple of the YouTube videos and I was watching other people's hygiene routines, and I got excited because I was like, you know what, let me actually like implement some of these stuff into my hygiene routine. And when I watched their videos, I was like, dang, like there's certain things I wish I did, and realized that once I started adding it, girl, my body's just it's smelling and looking nice. That's all I gotta say. So the second product that I use in my feminine hygiene routine is going to have to be a coffee scrub. I wouldn't say there's a specific brand I recommend for you guys, but I use the Art Naturals Arabic coffee scrub. I did run out of this product and I decided to make my own. I will be making a video in the future on how I make my at-home remedies, especially for exfoliating the skin, the legs, and leaving your body moisturized and looking smooth. I definitely recommend using this in your shower routine because when you come out the shower, you be feeling like a brand new woman. You be feeling squeakity diggity clean, okay? So the second product that I highly recommend for any woman to use and start using if you haven't is the Azo Complete Feminine Balance. I recommend any woman to start using this because this is going to prevent you and keep you away from any issues that you will come across as you get older. If you think about this, this is kind of just like a prevention pill that kind of helps you with your pH balance as a woman and keeps you in check when it comes to everything feminine and downstairs, okay? So moving on to the next product. So the next product that I use is this. So I actually just started getting into this. Before I started using this product specifically, I actually used my own at-home remedy and I felt like they did the job. But after I got into this, added this into my feminine hygiene routine, I noticed a huge step up when it comes to like my body feeling really moisturized. So if you're looking to moisturize your skin and feel really smooth and hydrated, this is the go-to. When I started using this, it definitely like stepped up everything. My body was like, hold up, you was giving us oil, but you giving us oil now. Trust me, ladies, this will leave you smelling and feeling really good. Okay, moving on to the next thing that is in my feminine hygiene routine. I use Vet. I think that's how you pronounce it. But I use this now rather than Nair. So Nair and me have been having a really tough time. Nair just smells so bad, and I could not stand the stench that it would leave your body when you were done using it. So I went ahead and used this product. It is sensitive friendly. If you have sensitive skin like me, it does the job and it takes off all the hairs. And when I say it takes off all the hair, it takes off all the hair. So the next product that I use, it is Honey Pot. Now I use two things from Honey Pot, but unfortunately I ran out of it, so I don't really have it. So I'm gonna leave a picture right here so you guys can see what I'm talking about. But this is one of the items that I use from Honey Pot, and this is a panty spray. So ladies, this is not a hoo-ha spray, this is a panty spray. This works especially if you're on your cycle and you really don't want to smell like, you know what I'm saying, something died down there. I do recommend adding this into your feminine hygiene routine because girl, this will leave you smelling like lavender. Highly recommend this, especially with the Honey Pot foaming wash, because that right there will leave you smelling really good and you don't even need to do too much. All right, so this is a section of the video in which I was kind of hesitant to add, but I wanted to add it anyway because I'm really big on oral hygiene. And for me, just something about bad breath, it just doesn't sit with me. So I went ahead and I purchased two type of mouthwashes. So the first mouthwash I purchased is this. Now this is something I recently started getting into, and this is a life changer. And when I say this keeps your breath, your breath smelling really, really fresh. Girl, when you add this and this together, girl, you are creating an atomic bomb of mintiness, okay? Something about oral hygiene to me, I feel like as a woman, it is very, very important to implement that. Take care of your like breath as well as your body. Because, I mean, come on, you could look nice, but if your breath smell bad, why? Definitely, if you're trying to step up your oral hygiene, Listerine, baby, and this, okay? Moving on to the next product that I use. I use Johnson & Johnson baby lotion. I use Johnson & Johnson baby lotion because I feel like with me and my sensitive skin, certain lotions just don't work for my body, okay? And I have really like dry skin, especially during the summer. So I always use Johnson & Johnson because it does the job, it makes me smell good. And it's a very subtle scent that I can use with literally any perfume and it won't leave me smelling weird. You know what I'm saying? Like with two added type of things that just don't really smell good together. Johnson & Johnson, honestly, at the end of the day, is just like simple. It has a very subtle scent and you can add it with any perfume that you're currently using. Also, another hygiene tip I want to give you ladies, layering your scent. A lot of people want to know how to smell good, and this is my tip for you. When you come out of the shower, you do your oils, you know what I'm saying? You put your lotion, but before you do the next thing, you put your perfume. Once you're done with your perfume, girl, then you put another layer of your lotion, and then you put your perfume again, and then you top it off with body oils, and I promise you, your scent will last a very long time. Okay, ladies, so that is really all that I use in my feminine hygiene routine. Of course, there's like a whole bunch of stuff I could show you, but those are the main ones that I use in my daily feminine hygiene routine. That plays a key role in me smelling good every day. However, I want to give you guys an extra tip since you guys stayed this far into the video, and I want to show you guys my go-to feminine bag. So with this go-to feminine bag, I wanted to really show you guys things that you guys should always have on you and keep with you at all times, especially if you're like a woman who's trying to smell good, you know, trying to be classy. So the first thing I do recommend any woman having in their feminine go-to bag is baby wipes. I recommend any woman to have this because this not only cleans up, but this is definitely something you want to have with you because it keeps your body clean and you're actually cleaning yourself rather than like smearing. You don't want to picture that. The next thing I recommend any woman to have with them is going to be the Honey Pot penny spray. This is something I recommend any woman to have in their bag because this will keep you from smelling any types of way, especially on your monthly cycle. And this is something to always carry with you in your bag because you never know when you may need it, and it's just good to have. And last but not least, I recommend any woman to have in their feminine bag pads and tampons. It is essential that you at least carry 4 pads, 4 tampons in your feminine bag. This will save you from your lack of preparation, especially when we have the those random moments when she wants to arrive in the month. And the last thing I want to add in that feminine bag is hand sanitizer. It is always good to have hand sanitizer in that bag because you never know if you run into a situation, it's an emergency, you don't have a sink accessible to you, and you have to clean your hands. So the best thing to say is rather have than need. So I really hope all these products that I showed you guys today really helps you guys understand the importance of having these products and how to really use them, and honestly the importance for why women should have each of these products. Now, if you cannot get any of these products, it is always good to have at-home remedies, because at-home remedies is another way and more affordable way to also take care of your body as a woman, but you know what I'm saying, keep checks and balances on your body in general. So with that being said, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and this was educational and it taught you guys some things about me and my hygiene routine, and hopefully you guys can use it in your hygiene routine. And also you guys can be a part of the next video that I choose to record. So if you guys want to be a part of the family, definitely don't forget to follow me on my social media and subscribe, and I will see you beautiful ladies in the next video. Bye guys.